I would say that the most critical intervention required for the farmer's perspective, farmer's income perspective, is to focus on agri-logistics, processing and efficient marketing. And the second intervention that I would suggest is to address the structural weakness that farmers face. And one of the structural weaknesses comes from the vulnerability because of the biological nature of agriculture. We should bring in all comprehensive interventions that will help the farmer to negotiate different kinds of risks that are imparted to agriculture at pre-production stage, production stage and the post-production stage. So we'll therefore require interventions like livestock insurance scheme, crop insurance scheme. Secondly, using the modern emerging technologies, we should be able to do the forecasting of pests and diseases. And third, of course, the price and demand forecasting. When we share this forecast information with the farmers will be able to take advanced action and decide on the necessary protective measures. To that extent, the losses in terms of productivity is lesser, the loss in terms of income is lesser. So to sum up, I would say that risk management and post-harvest management would be the two key interventions that farmers will require to double their income.
I think marketing is the biggest challenge for all Indian farmers. On that line, how we can create the best solution for the small and marginal farmers. I think that is one biggest success key. How we can create the proper ecosystem where the international customers or the domestic customer, they will prefer the Indian farmers product. That will be the first important key. Second is the technology involvement in agriculture. In technology, through technology, how we can create the proper ecosystem for small and marginal farmers to create the global standard products. That is, I think, second key where we need to focus in a better way.
Doubling of farmers' income by 2022 is an awfully difficult task to accomplish. But definitely what can be done first is to have a consortium of farmers, have a farmers commission to assess programs of the government for doubling farmers' income so they can get from the stakeholders an opinion of which schemes are working, which parts of the scheme need to be tweaked and changed. Till we do not involve stakeholders in policy making, the task will always be difficult and the path will be very long to travel on. Second issue about doubling farmers' income is not to treat farmers as scapegoats to mitigate inflation. You need to make sure that farmers get the real cost of growing food and consumers pay the price they must pay.
Two things will have to be done. One is to create demand. Domestic consumption will never keep pace with the way these productivities will grow. The second thing is predictability of production has to come. We have to use lot of technologies which is now very cheap. So I think lot of technology should be deployed in these two areas.